Salam. Today we're going to be making a tangy condiment, Imli Chutney. Imli Chutney is a sweet and sour complement to the spicier green chutney. I think it works better when mixed into things rather than as a dipping sauce though. You're going to need a quarter cup of tamarind, a quarter cup of dates chopped roughly, 1 cup of hot water, half a cup of jaggery or brown sugar, 1 teaspoon red chili powder, 1 teaspoon cumin powder, 1 teaspoon ginger powder, and salt. So as you could tell, I really don't like Imli chutney. The tamarind's tanginess overpowers everything it touches, even if you try to overcompensate with spiciness or sweetness. But it does have its uses when used sparingly in other stuff. First, in a bowl, add the tamarind, dates, and hot water. Cover and let it soak for 30 minutes to get softened. Transfer to a blender, then mix for 1 to 2 minutes. After, make sure to pass it through a strainer to get out any stringy bits. In a saucepan, add the tamarind date paste and jaggery as it melts on medium-high. Bring to a boil, then add the red chili powder, cumin powder, ginger powder, and salt. Turn to medium-low and simmer for 3 to 5 minutes until it thickens and gets sticky like this. Alright, Bismillah. Yeah, I'm not a fan. I generally do like sweet and sour foods, but this takes it too far. But hey, now you know what that brown sauce is when you go to a desi restaurant. I much prefer green chutney. Yeah, see, even Senor got offended.